merged this food for nourishment with food for pleasure. We want food to provide us with pleasure, with bliss. And more often than not, a meal of grilled chicken and broccoli doesn't check that pleasure box. So combine what feels like sacrifice, eating food that feels meh compared to something we absolutely love, with the increased mental energy required to plan ahead, and it's really hard to justify it. We end up telling ourselves stories like, eating healthy is too expensive, cooking is just too hard, it takes too long. But what it really comes down to is that we haven't prioritized it. Now, that doesn't mean we're lazy or that we're failing. It just means that we are human. We have limited energy. And when food prep doesn't feel like it brings us enough value, emotionally or practically, it's the first thing we cut.